Hey friends, this is Austin with CompanyCam, and today I am excited to show off our newest integration with Google Drive. Google Drive, if you haven't heard of it already, is an incredibly popular storage solution. We've heard a lot of feedback from clients wanting to have a way to get a secondary backup of their CompanyCam content elsewhere, and so Google Drive was a natural integration partner to look at, and so we're super excited that we got this, over the finish line to be able to show you guys how it works. It's really straightforward integration. Basically, once you connect, you're going to have like a parent CompanyCam folder that's going to have all of your CompanyCam projects underneath of it. And then from there, when you capture photos, videos, or documents, that content is just going to sync over to the matching project now located in Google Drive as well. So basically, just use your CompanyCam account as you normally would, and then your content is all going to be organized by project in Google Drive just automatically for you. Before we get started, there are a couple things that I would like to call out. First, you want to make sure that you are on a paid plan within CompanyCam. And then the second thing is just to make sure that you're either a manager or an admin on your CompanyCam account in order to integrate the two. Once you have verified that, then you can go ahead and get started. In order to start integrating, you will want to start inside of CompanyCam. And so from here, we'll just go under Resources and select Integrations. Under the integrations tab, you're going to be able to see all of our different integration options that we have available. We do have over 60 integrations, so if you don't use Google Drive or you might be looking to utilize another software, definitely check out what else we have to offer here. But in this case, we're obviously going to be checking out Google Drive, so we're just going to find that card and select it here. From here, you can kind of see an overview of how the integration works. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and hit connect in order to start connecting our CompanyCam account to Google Drive. Again, it's just asking you to connect your account, so we'll hit connect again. And then from here, it's basically just asking you to log in with your Google account. And so if you haven't already, you can go ahead and do that here. This last step is just allowing the data to basically connect between CompanyCam and Google. In this case, that's what we obviously want to do, so we'll go ahead and hit allow here. And that's as easy as it is in order to get integrated. So now we are connected between the two different platforms. If you do want to make sure that your connection is active, you can just go under integrations and go to connected integrations, and it'll show you your status here. You can also disconnect as needed from that option as well. And so once you integrate, automatically what's going to happen is your My Drive is going to populate a new CompanyCam folder. And again, that's going to be the parent folder where all of your projects are going to fall inside of. And so let's go over to our My Drive and see what that new folder looks like. So we can see this just got created. Again, it's CompanyCam. It's empty because we haven't added any new projects since we integrated. And so in order to get a project and some content rolling over here, let's just go ahead and do that in CompanyCam. We will bounce back over to our CompanyCam account, and we're just going to go ahead and create a new project and then just add some photos, documents, and videos in there just so we can kind of see what that looks like for us. All right, and so we have our project info filled out here. Let's go ahead and hit create there. And now that we have a project created, we can see it has that Google Drive label automatically attached, just showing us that it's going to create another subfolder within that parent folder. So if we refresh this here shortly, we're going to be able to see a matching project. And so in that case, here is that projects folder. And then let's go ahead and click into that. And then our last step here would be we don't have any content captured yet in our project. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then we'll be able to see that go over into our matching subfolder here as well. And so we'll go ahead and just upload some test photos. And then we can add a document as well. And then again, videos are also supported with this as well. They will come over just like any of the other file types. And so we have a few different pieces of content that we've captured. Now we can go and look into Google Drive, and we can see that some of those are already populating for us. And so we can see all of our photos and then that example PDF that we had uploaded into this project have already synced over. If we want to click into those, we can see those do in fact match what we were working with previously. All of your CompanyCam projects are going to fall under this main CompanyCam parent folder. And then to look at the actual content from each individual project, you can just click on its matching subfolder and it will show you any of the photos, videos, or documents that have been captured for that project. That has been a little tutorial on how the Google Drive integration works. If you have any questions on this, it is a relatively new integration. We're always looking for feedback. Please reach out to either integrations@companycam.com, or if you have any other questions directly regarding maybe connection or troubleshooting, please reach out to support@companycam.com, and we'd be happy to help you out there as well. Again, my name is Austin. I appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the new integration that we have with Google Drive, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.